Hello all, today I will tell you how to make online quiz or online test in your mobile. So first of all, you have to open the Google Chrome in your mobile. Just write here Google Form. Click on it. You may find various links related to Google Forms. You just click on this Google Form sign in. Then you may find here untitled form. So first of all, you have to title it. So I am just writing here periodic test. You may write anything, it's up to you. And in this form description, you have to describe the various guidelines related to your test. But here I am writing only shortcut, so I am writing MCQ questions. You may write guidelines here according to your school. Okay, just untitled form is also written here, so just click on it and automatically periodic test will come here, which we write here. So just click outside this. Now I want when the student start this test, first of all the student fill the form like student name, school name, roll number. So I just click on this untitled question and write here student name. Okay, so here you have to select the short answer from this list. You may find various options here. Just select short answer, which is automatically selected in this. Just click on it and make this a required. Okay, so this is the first form column. Why we make it required? Because this field is compulsory. So if I want to make another column, just click on this plus icon or this copy button. I am just clicking this copy button. I am writing another field like school name. Okay, school name. Okay, so short answer is selected, required is selected because I have just copied. So two fields I have make student name and school name. Okay, so this is all about the form which student has to fill. And I want section here, and for this section you just click on this right you may find right hand side this icon. This is section icon, just click on this. Now your section is divided. First is form and now the quiz is start. So for the quiz, first of all you have to change the settings from these three dots. Just click on it and then click on the settings and then just find quizzes here and then just click on this and make this a quiz. Okay, when you enable these various options automatically selected, do not change any settings here and then just click on save button. Okay, so for the quiz in this section you have to write here, for example I am writing computer test. You may write according to your choice. Okay, then I am starting writing question. Just click on this plus button and write your questions. For example, my first question is, who is the father of computer? Okay, so I selected as a multiple choice questions. Now I have to write the options. Just click on this option 1 and write like Charles Babbage. Okay, another option is, for another option you have to click on this add option and I am writing here Dennis Ritchie. Okay, so set it to required and click on this tick mark option here. Here you have to set the points, that how many points you have to give for these questions. Like I have set it to 1 point. Okay, now you have to check the right answer, like right answer is Charles Babbage, and then click on this done. Okay, now my for the second questions I am clicking on this plus. My question is, select the hardware device. Okay, multiple choice is selected. Select options. My first option is MS Office, and second option is keyboard. You set it to required, and then click on this tick mark icon and set points, and then write the tick mark the correct answer keyboard, and then just click on done. So 2 questions I have made. If you want to make another section, just click on these sections. If you want the complete test on one page, then you don't need to divide sections again. Just add more questions from this plus. Okay, if you want to see the preview of your test, just click on this triple dot icon here. Just click on this and click on preview. See, this is the test, periodic test, MCQ questions. Required star means required. First of all, you have to fill student name, and then you have to fill school name, and then click on the next button for the test. So this is the preview. Click on back button. If I want here the picture of the school, then you have to click on this clip art. In the header section, choose image. If the that image is in your mobile, then just click on the upload button, or by default themes are there related to work and school. For example, I am selecting this, and then click on insert, and then just click on apply. See, now I am again seeing the preview. Click on 3 dots, click on preview. Now see, in the header section, image is also here. Then click on back. Okay, if you want to send this form to your student, just click on this icon, and here if you want to send it to the email, just in the to section you have to write the email ID, or if you want to send it to the WhatsApp, then you have to click on this. In this you may find the link. Just copy this link and send it to the WhatsApp. If you want to shorten this URL, then just click on this. Your URL is now shortened. Just copy it and send it to the WhatsApp. Okay, now I am again closing this. This is the way how to send. If I want to do this with myself, I'm just checking it. So just click on this and preview. This is the required. For example, I am writing here Nancy, school name VSPK. Just click on this next. My first question is, who is the father of computer? Charles Babbage. My second is, select the hardware device. I am selecting the wrong answer from here, for example, and then just click on submit. You can find your score from view score. Okay, so 1 out of 2 points I got. Like, this question is my right and this is wrong. It is also showing the correct answer after the submission. Okay, so this is the way. So how the teacher check who submitted their test? Just click on the back. You may find here responses. Just click on responses. If you want to check the summary, just click on summary. If you want to check the individually, you just click on this. Or if you want to find it in the spreadsheet, just click on the green icon and then click on create. See, this is the uh, spreadsheet which the teacher will check after submission of all the tests from the students. Time also, at this date, this time, score this, name of the student is this, school name this. These are the questions which the students attempted, and according to these questions he got or she got 1 out of 2 marks. Okay, this is all about how to create online quiz.
My name is Mansi and you are watching my channel Amazing Art and Craft. Please like and subscribe my channel.